AI business that no one knows. Imagine being at the helm of a world where a seemingly ordinary idea transforms into a golden opportunity, accumulating an astounding $270,000. All of this achieved in a realm virtually untamed by competition. Prepare to immerse yourself in the riveting landscape of today's episode exclusively on Profitability Plus. Our mission? To reveal an enigma that possesses the power to not just shape but revolutionize your entrepreneurial odyssey, forever altering the trajectory of your journey. Welcome back, hustlers and innovators, to Profitability Plus. I'm your host, and today's topic is nothing short of a game changer. We're going to delve into a hidden gem that promises to not only skyrocket your earnings, but also to let you break free from the shackles of conventional business strategies. Brace yourselves because we're about to reveal the untapped potential of an underrated product that's shaking up the market and reshaping fortunes. Have you ever dreamed of a business venture that can generate revenue to the tune of $270,000? A venture that offers you a virtually empty playing field waiting for you to conquer. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality that's within your grasp. In the next few minutes, we'll unlock the secrets of this extraordinary opportunity. Picture this, a product that's been hiding in a plain sight, making its creator a small fortune while flying under the radar of most entrepreneurs. Today, we'll pull back the curtain on this money-making machine and guide you through every step of the process. From the spark of an idea to the creation of a polished, professional end product, we've got your back. But that's not all. We've also got a surprise up our sleeves that's going to make you stand out like never before. A little-known technique that's the secret sauce to making your venture not just successful, but legendary. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the insights and strategies that can elevate your business game to unprecedented heights. Now that you're on the cusp of discovering this hidden gem, let's delve deeper into why this underrated product has the potential to revolutionize your entrepreneurial journey. The key lies in its unexplored niche and the burgeoning demand that few have tapped into. Think about it. In a world saturated with businesses vying for attention, finding a product that not only stands out but also solves a real problem for a specific audience can be a game changer. This is where our underrated product comes into play. It's not just a mere commodity, it's a solution that resonates with parents, educators, and anyone seeking engaging tools to enhance learning. But what truly sets this venture apart is the absence of fierce competition. In the cutthroat world of business, where every industry seems saturated, this untapped niche shines like a beacon of opportunity. With minimal players in the game, you have the chance to establish yourself as an authority and innovator in a space that's yearning for fresh ideas. As we venture further into the heart of this business strategy, let's talk about how you can turn this concept into reality. Brainstorming is the first step, and you've got two potent avenues at your disposal. Dive into Etsy, where you can gain invaluable insights by studying your competitors' listings. Scrutinize the number of cards, the styles, the imagery, and customer feedback. This intel will be your North Star in crafting a superior product that stands out from the rest. On the flip side, automation comes to your aid with ChatGPT. Imagine unlocking a virtual treasure trove of ideas through a simple prompt. This AI-driven tool can generate concepts faster than you can jot them down, helping you unearth niche ideas and unique angles you might not have considered otherwise. The power of technology in your hands guiding your creativity. But let's not forget the pièce de résistance, the illustrations. These visual marvels are the heart and soul of your product. When it comes to creating images that resonate, Midjourney emerges as the ultimate ally. Its stunning customization options and image quality can turn a simple concept into a breathtaking masterpiece. Remember, in the world of digital products, aesthetics play a pivotal role in attracting and retaining customers. Now, imagine taking a page from the playbook of renowned marketers. The concept of offering value-added content is age-old, but here's a twist that can elevate your game. Pairing your flashcards with coloring pages might seem simple, but it's the secret ingredient to seal the deal. A small gesture that speaks volumes about your commitment to providing comprehensive value and customer satisfaction. As you embark on your journey to create and market your venture, keep in mind that the possibilities are limitless. The early success stories on Etsy should fuel your drive, showcasing that this business model isn't just a theory, it's a proven path to profitability. And as you take your first steps into this world, remember to iterate, innovate, and continuously refine your offerings. The entrepreneurial landscape is ever evolving, and your readiness to adapt will be your trump card. In closing, brace yourselves for the adventure that awaits you in the realm of underrated products and uncharted niches. As you navigate this unexplored path, remember that success is a combination of vision, innovation, and unwavering dedication. Armed with the sights and strategies we've shared today, you're well on your way to carving out your own space in the ever-evolving world of business. As we embark on this eye-opening journey, remember that this is a chance to transform your trajectory. This isn't just about learning, it's about taking action. By the time the curtain falls on this episode, you'll have the tools to kickstart your very own venture, backed by insights that could be the catalyst for your financial breakthrough. And there you have it, visionaries, another enlightening episode of Profitability Plus in the books. We've unveiled the untapped potential of a product that's quietly generating a small fortune and disclosed the strategies to bring your own version to life. The opportunities are boundless, and it's up to you to seize them. Thank you for joining us in this enlightening journey. Remember to like, comment, and share this video with your fellow trailblazers. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking insights and strategies that will keep your entrepreneurial fire burning bright. Until next time, stay profitable, stay innovative, and keep aiming for that plus-size success.